Hi, I'm back again. I'm just going to have a look round the place. I've never ever been business class before. It took me 18 months to save for this. And I tell you what, it's worth it. Well, as soon as I take off, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the bar and have a drink and get a nice drink.
Or 20 megabytes, whichever you use first. If you use very much. And that's going to be enough for 12 when they use the last level 12. Thank you.
I'm so sorry, it's not allowed to take a video of the service.
Hello, this is the starter, which is not bad. I've had a vodka martini, shaken, not stirred, like James Bond would.
This is the starter. It's not bad for a starter. I've also had a vodka martini. Shaken but not stirred.
Oh, it's braised lamb. Absolutely fantastic meal. I'm flying on octane at the moment. Absolutely fabulous service on this plane. I mean, look at the food, it's unbelievable. Speak to you later. Just having some dessert now. Nice and food, full. Going back to the bar in a bit. Just look at these desserts.
While I'm right at the bar, I hope I don't get inebriated because I've got to get off the plane.
Get the champagne out of the. Get your Amazing. I'm not really sure. I hope that's okay for you.
Thank you.
As you can see, we're arriving in Dubai. I better sober up. business class lounge in Dubai. It's absolutely massive. You can get absolutely everything here. Your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and as many drinks as you want. Great. Oh, I've got to tell you, it's all inclusive of your ticket. So you don't pay anything, it's all inclusive. Well, I'm back on the plane. It won't be long now. Another 6 hours and I'll be in Phuket. Can't wait. Well, this is the end of part 1. Next time you hear from me, I will be in Phuket, Patong. If you like the video, please subscribe or give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.